G'day guys, Greg here. Well, I'm off to Red Rooster today. They've got a new value meal. The Buttermilk Pops Mega Box. So I'm going to go and get one and see what you actually get in a Mega Box. Let's go. Well, the Red Rooster's drive-thru is still open, so let's use it.
G'day, welcome Red. But you're always ready.
Can I get a Buttermilk Pops Mega Box, please?
No worries. Was that a large combo for you?
Just the standard one, thanks.
Just a regular one? Which drink, sorry?
Coke?
No worries. Anything else for you?
No, that's all today, thanks.
No worries. Just like drums, eh?
Sweet as. Okay, so this Mega Box is $13.95. Can't wait to see what's in it. Thank you very much. See ya. Ooh-wee! Have a look at the size of this thing. Better go somewhere so I can find out what's inside and we can tuck on in. All right, well, I did bring the scales. Let's see how much it weighs. 688 grams. That's 1.5 pounds. Well, that's quite a lot of tucker. Let's see what we get inside the box. All right, let's see what we get here. Ooh, sweet as. Spoons, refreshers. I got a knife and fork as well. But what's in this box? Right, how do you open it? This way. Da 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 da. Oh, mama. What do we got here? We got something. I don't know what that is, so I guess we'll find out. Oh, here's the Mega Box Buttermilk Pops. Ooh, I bet they taste good. I got some of their delicious chips. Here's a couple of onion rings. Haven't tried them before. And I got a mashed potato and gravy. Now, I'm pretty sure there's something missing here. My drink! Where is it? Yeah, they forgot to give it to me. I really wanted that too. Oh well, I might whiz back later. Although I doubt I will. But I want to see what this roll is. Well, it's a little sub. And what's on the sub? Well, there's a piece of... Oh no, is that a piece of fish? Hope so. Probably a piece of chicken and lettuce and mayo, I'm guessing. Ooh. Well, that looks appetizing-ish, maybe. Oh, I hope that's that dill mayo that they use. Mmm. Yeah, not bad. Nice piece of chicken. I really like that dill mayo that's on this. Mmm. This is actually pretty tasty. I'm really enjoying this. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. That's good. It would have been nice to wash it down with something like a drink, maybe. Anyway, I want to try one of these onion rings. I didn't even know Red Rooster did onion rings. But it's pretty fat. G'day. Mmm. Crunchy. The onion inside's quite sweet. And a little chewy as well. But not too bad. Not the best onion ring I've had. In fact, I don't really like onion rings that much. And this is a pretty good tasting one, so how about I have a chip? I haven't had a chip in days. It's not the biggest bag of chips in the world. Oh, they're salty. Would have been good to wash that salt down with something like, I don't know, maybe a drink. But yeah, they're good. How about we get to the star of this box, the Buttermilk Pops. There's quite a few there. I mean, it's not a small little container, this. Well, it is. But, yes, packed to the brim. That's what it looks like. It looks pretty good, huh? It looks nice and, well, edible at least. Juicy. And inside there's like real chicken. Well, I think it's real. Really juicy, actually. Oh, nice. It's got a slight garlic taste. They are pretty Moorish. Oh, yum. The juice is really good because it's putting some liquid down my throat, and well, you know, I didn't get a drink or anything, so you know, it's making up for it. Now the potato and gravy. Ooh, I hope I don't spill it. There it is. Oh, yes. Reconstituted heaven. Oh yeah. That's good gravy, that. And these mashed potatoes are good too. This gravy is good enough to drink too. I should have had a can of Coke to drink, but this gravy will do. Well, there's all the things in the Buttermilk Pops Mega Box. Let's give it a score out of 10. Well, taste-wise, this bun thing here with the chicken in it, oh, yum, this is really tasty. That tastes really good, I'm enjoying that. These onion rings, I mean, they were okay. They weren't the best thing I've had. These Buttermilk Pops, well, they're juicy and delicious, and they got a nice coating on them. They're no KFC, but they're really nice, and I'm really enjoying them. Then we got the chips, of course. Wasn't too many of those, but they are Red Rooster chips, and I mean, we all love those, don't we? And the potato and gravy, well, that goes without saying. It was absolutely sensational. The can of Coke, I'm sure, would have been really great when I took it home and had some rum or something, you know. Well, yeah! But unfortunately, I didn't get that, did I? Rats! Value-wise, $13 something. Well, it does seem like a little bit too much, but what you're getting there is a pretty good feed, and there's quite a lot of food there. So, well, I mean, it's passable. But for an all-over value, all-over flavour, all-over taste, all-over everything score for this mega box, minus the can of Coke, I'll give it where's that can of Coke? A 7.3 out of 10. I thought it was really nice. It's plenty of food here, and mate, I tell you what, once you've finished all of this, you'll be pretty full, I reckon. And also, it probably is a meal that you could probably share, so you know, you could probably halve that and go halves with a mate or with your girlfriend or boyfriend or something, or with a kid. So yeah, it's a pretty good sized feed, and I'm sure if I had the drink it would have been awesome. But you know, sometimes things like this happen. Anyway, that's the Mega Box from Red Rooster. Will you be going to go and get one? If you do, and you go through the drive-thru, tell them Greg sent you. I'm pretty sure they must have a clue by now. Come on. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next review. I'll see you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review